We drench our salads in it. We dip our bread in it. We fry our favorite foods in it. It's in almost everything we eat, yet most of us remain blissfully unaware of its presence. What is this ubiquitous ingredient? It's not sugar, salt, or even high fructose corn syrup. It's seed oil. While seemingly innocuous, these oils, extracted from crops like soybeans, corn, and sunflowers, may be silently wreaking havoc on our health. For decades, we've been told that seed oils are heart-healthy alternatives to saturated fats. We've replaced butter with margarine, lard with vegetable shortening, all in the name of lowering cholesterol and preventing heart disease. But what if we've been misled? Emerging scientific evidence suggests that these seemingly harmless oils, once touted as nutritional heroes, might be contributing to a wide range of health problems, from obesity and diabetes to heart disease and even cognitive decline. This essay will delve into the hidden dangers of seed oils and empower you to make informed decisions about your health. The truth is, our bodies weren't designed to consume the high amounts of omega-6 fatty acids found in seed oils. This imbalance, coupled with their unstable chemical structure, can lead to chronic inflammation, the root cause of many modern diseases. It's time to pull back the curtain on seed oils and reveal the truth about their impact on our well-being. Seed oils have become a ubiquitous ingredient in our modern diet, often hiding in plain sight under deceptive names. You won't find soybean oil listed on the ingredient label of that tempting bag of chips. Instead, it's disguised as vegetable oil, a generic term that encompasses a variety of seed oils. These oils are incredibly versatile and inexpensive, making them a food manufacturer's dream. They're used to improve the texture, extend the shelf life, and enhance the flavor of countless processed foods. From salad dressings and mayonnaise to crackers, cookies, and even bread, seed oils have infiltrated every aisle of the grocery store. They're also commonly found in restaurant foods, especially those that are fried or deep-fried. Even seemingly healthy options like granola bars and yogurt can be surprising sources of these oils. It's important to become a savvy label reader and familiarize yourself with the different names that seed oils masquerade under. Some common culprits to watch out for include vegetable oil, canola oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, cottonseed oil, and grapeseed oil. By becoming aware of the pervasiveness of seed oils, you can start making conscious choices to limit your exposure and protect your health. To understand the potential dangers of seed oils, we need to delve into the world of fatty acids. Our bodies need a balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids for optimal health. These essential fats play a crucial role in numerous bodily functions, including cell growth, brain function, and inflammation regulation. However, the typical Western diet is overloaded with omega-6 fatty acids, primarily from seed oils, while being deficient in omega-3s, found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. This imbalance throws our bodies out of whack and creates a pro-inflammatory state. Inflammation is a natural and necessary process that helps our bodies heal and fight off infection. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can damage tissues and organs, increasing the risk of developing chronic diseases. Seed oils are particularly troublesome because they are high in linoleic acid, a type of omega-6 fatty acid that our bodies easily convert into arachidonic acid. Arachidonic acid is a precursor to pro-inflammatory compounds that contribute to chronic inflammation. While some inflammation is essential, a constant state of inflammation can damage blood vessels, contribute to insulin resistance, and impair brain function. By reducing our intake of seed oils and increasing our consumption of omega-3 rich foods, we can help restore a healthy balance and dampen the flames of inflammation. The overconsumption of seed oils has been linked to a wide range of chronic diseases, raising serious concerns about their long-term impact on our health. While more research is needed, a growing body of evidence suggests that these oils may play a role in the development of obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cognitive decline. Seed oils are highly palatable and calorie-dense, contributing to overeating and weight gain. Studies have shown that consuming large amounts of linoleic acid, abundant in seed oils, can lead to increased fat storage and obesity. The chronic inflammation triggered by an imbalance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids can impair insulin sensitivity, increasing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Several studies have linked high seed oil consumption to an increased risk of this metabolic disorder. While seed oils were once promoted as heart-healthy alternatives to saturated fats, emerging research suggests that they may actually increase the risk of heart disease. The oxidation of polyunsaturated fatty acids in seed oils can damage LDL cholesterol, making it more likely to stick to artery walls and form plaque, a major contributor to heart attacks and strokes. Our brains are highly susceptible to oxidative damage, and the unstable nature of seed oils makes them prone to oxidation. Studies have shown a correlation between high seed oil consumption and an increased risk of cognitive decline, Alzheimer's disease, and dementia. These findings highlight the importance of reconsidering our reliance on seed oils and prioritizing healthier fat sources. The good news is that breaking free from the clutches of seed oils is entirely possible and easier than you might think. By making simple swaps and embracing whole, unprocessed foods, you can drastically reduce your intake of these inflammatory oils and nourish your body with healthy fats. When it comes to cooking, opt for stable, heat-resistant fats like olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet and is rich in antioxidants and monounsaturated fats which can help reduce inflammation and protect heart health. Avocado oil. With a high smoke point, avocado oil is ideal for high-heat cooking. It's also a good source of monounsaturated fats and vitamin E. Coconut oil. This tropical oil has gained popularity for its unique combination of saturated fats, which are resistant to oxidation and can boost metabolism. Butter and ghee. Grass-fed butter and ghee are rich in fat-soluble vitamins and conjugated linoleic acid, which has been linked to various health benefits. In addition to choosing healthier cooking oils, make a conscious effort to read food labels and avoid processed foods that contain seed oils. By embracing whole foods and prioritizing healthy fats, you can take a significant step towards reclaiming your health. If you've been consuming a diet high in seed oils, you might be wondering how to reverse the damage and detoxify your body. While there's no magic bullet, incorporating certain foods and lifestyle changes can support your body's natural detoxification processes and help restore balance. Hydrate. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for flushing out toxins and supporting your body's natural detoxification pathways. Eat your greens. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower and Brussels sprouts are rich in sulfur-containing compounds that support liver detoxification. Embrace fiber. Fiber acts like a scrub brush for your gut, helping to eliminate waste and toxins. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables and whole grains in your diet. Prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is essential for cellular repair and detoxification. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Manage stress. Chronic stress can impede detoxification processes. Engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. By adopting these healthy habits, you can support your body's natural ability to eliminate toxins and promote overall well-being. Transitioning away from seed oils doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by making small, sustainable changes to your diet and gradually incorporate healthier alternatives. Swap out your cooking oils. Replace vegetable oil with olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, or butter. Read food labels carefully. Become a detective and scrutinize ingredient lists. Avoid products that contain any type of seed oil. Choose whole foods. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and lean protein sources. Cook more at home. Restaurant foods are often laden with seed oils. Cooking at home gives you complete control over the ingredients you use. Be patient and persistent. Changing your diet takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you slip up. Every small step you take makes a difference. Remember, every healthy choice you make is a step towards a healthier you. The journey towards optimal health begins with awareness. By understanding the potential dangers of seed oils and their pervasiveness in our food supply, we can make informed decisions that empower us to take control of our well-being. This essay is just a starting point. I encourage you to delve deeper into this topic, conduct your own research, and consult with a qualified healthcare professional to determine the best dietary approach for your individual needs. As consumers, we have a voice. By supporting companies that prioritize transparency and use healthy ingredients, we can drive positive change in the food industry. Remember, knowledge is power. Arm yourself with information, make conscious choices, and embark on a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you.